Learning English. Expressing likes in present continuous tense. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into a unique and exciting aspect of conversational English. Expressing likes in the present continuous tense. More specifically, we'll focus on using am, is, are liking, with verbs in this tense. So, are you ready? Let's get started. To properly express likes in the present continuous tense, it's essential to understand what the tense itself represents. In English, the present continuous tense is used to describe an action or event that is happening right now, at this moment, or around this time. This tense is formed using the verb to be in the present tense, am, is, are, plus verb ing. For example, I am studying English. She is reading a book. However, when it comes to expressing preferences such as likes or dislikes, we traditionally use the simple present tense. For instance, I like pizza. She likes reading. So, where does the present continuous tense come into play here? Let's find out. The traditional rule is that we use the simple present tense for expressing likes and dislikes. But language is constantly evolving, and in informal, conversational English, we often break this rule. One of these exceptions is using the present continuous tense to express likes, specifically using am, is, are liking. We do this when we want to emphasize a temporary preference or a change in usual habits or tastes. For example, I am liking this new song a lot. I didn't like this kind of music before, but this song has changed my mind. She is liking her new job. Perhaps she didn't like her previous job, but she's enjoying this one. Remember, this usage is more common in informal, conversational English and is less likely to be found in formal writing or speech. Now that we have a clear understanding, let's practice with some examples. James, how are you liking the new city? I am not liking the way he talks to me. They are liking their English classes a lot. Can you hear how these sentences emphasize a temporary situation or a change? With time and practice, it'll become second nature for you to use this in your conversations. And that's it for today's lesson, everyone. We hope you now have a better understanding of expressing likes in present continuous tense. Remember, it's all about practice. So try to incorporate this into your everyday English conversations whenever suitable. Until next time, keep practicing and enjoy your English language journey.